Hi everyone, this is a demo of ExamFlux, an AI-powered exam item automation and review platform. This is a full stack app I built. The architecture of it is, for the front end, I use React, and the back end, I use Fast API, and then SQLite for the database. I also include two AI components. First is OpenAI GPT API, and the second is Hugging Face Transformer for semantic embedding. So the target user of this app is test developer. The app streamlines the entire exam test development process from generating item to the reviewer review item, make a decision whether to approve or reject, and then commit approved item to database. The landing page right now you see on the screen explain the whole idea of why I created this application. So on the top is a ribbon with 4 tabs. First tab, exam item reviewer, is the home page, and the second items is item pool, where generated item will go and stay. And the third is generate. That's the entry point where test developer include their prompt or provide a path to call OpenAI API to generate item. And then the fourth one is cart. That's where approved item will go and stay, and items will be there waiting to be committed to the database. So let's start from the generate. The generate, we have two options for the test developer, whether they can type a prompt here or they can provide a path to their prompt. Since high-stakes exam has many requirements and item specification to meet, the prompt could easily have maybe 8 or 10 pages of content. So we usually test developer to use their Word document here. So after include the path, they hit generate. Once the generate is hit, the backend will call OpenAI. The front end will of course go to backend and then call OpenAI API, and then it will read. API will read the prompt and then generate structure output. So I also use I'll use Pydantic and other package to ensure data validation, because it's really important to ensure consistent data flow across system boundaries like database, the front end and back end. So after they click generate, item will be generated, and then we'll go to item pool page here. So you see an item. There are many items here that I previously created. Each item is in a box with label with item number, index, and then status. And then for this current item, you see is a reading comprehension. It includes the stimulus, exam stamp, choice, and answer. Test developer review this AI generated content and decide whether it meets their standard. If it is, hit approve or reject. If it's not, if they want to make sure, they want to check whether there are similar items in their current item pools, they hit find similar, and the API will call the Hugging Face Transformer API to calculate the cosine similarity. And then here you can see like item number 85 has a really high score, meaning that it potentially has overlapping content with item 96. So right now, after seeing this, test developer can go to 85 right here, search 85 and compare the content. So if they decide that, oh yeah, there are no duplication and we can keep 96, then they can hit approve. If not, they hit reject. So imagine that they think it's fine, then we hit approve, and then 96 will just leave this item pool and go to the shopping cart here. You see 96 right here, and then once everything look okay, the reviewers just hit commit all. So everything will go to database. So this is the entire full stack application. Thank you for watching.